Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Let's reinstall this unit step by step. It's also beginner friendly, so stay tuned and continue watching.
We just fall in love, you and I about to fall in love.
Welcome back guys. So we're going to start off with a clean forehead. I already went ahead and I used some alcohol and cleaned the right across my forehead. That's where I'm going to apply the glue, and I also apply the first layer of glue. So what I'm doing now, I'm just adjusting my wig to fit my head perfectly. Make sure it is in place before applying the lace onto the glue. So let's start. I already put one layer of glue. And this is the glue that I'm using, Ghost Bun. So I'm only going to put 2 layers. I put enough glue. If there's not enough glue, then the lace is not going to hold for a long time. So I'm going to leave it until it's dry, clear, and then I'm going to put on the... Alright guys, so now it is clear. So I'm going to pull down the lace. I'm going to put the lace over it, and then I'm going to cut off the excess lace. So the key is to use the back of your comb to push down your lace onto the glue, push it down onto your scalp, and this will give you the perfect melt. So use the back of your comb, push down onto the lace, push it down onto your scalp for a perfect melt and also a firm hold. Alright guys, I'm going to band it down. So guys, I'm taking it off now. My hair is on. Whew. Oh my god, my ear's on fire. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to remove the excess lace. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to use a tail comb to put it there. Alright guys, so now that the lace is melt and it is dry, I am going to style. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the end result of my installment. Let me know in the comment section how you rate my reinstallment, guys, and if you learn anything, just comment it and let me know. And if there's anything that I could do different with this wig install, also please feel free to comment and let me know. Thank you. Bye.